Toe word jy gecast as Faroe in Joseph and His Amazing Technicolor Dreamcoat. 3000 vertonings. Hoe het jou lewe verander?
Hey, changed my whole life because this was, I think every performer longs for something that where they can get their teeth into. Hey, Joseph, won't you tell sweet old Pharaoh, what does it mean? Yeah, but, oh yeah. And the audiences went mad. I obviously earned a little money. I was doing Southern Sun circuit. I was performing cabarets all over South Africa. And it really, my life changed in the sense that I fell in love, I fell out of love, I fell in love, I fell out of love. I was a bit of a lost sport, but a good boy in his heart of hearts. And yet, I feel my life was waiting for this change. I was becoming this person who I am today.